Let us discuss the next question, students. Question number 43. Question number 43, what he has given? So he is asking the domain. So domain means now under square root. Under square root we have this should be positive value. This should not be equals to 0 because denominator value 0 adre. So not defined agutte. Hence x minus 2, x minus 5 must be greater than 0. If x minus a, x minus b, so greater than 0 adre, then x belongs to, that is minus infinity comma a union b comma infinity agutte. Now x belongs to, now minus infinity comma a is nothing but 2 here, union b comma infinity, the value of b is 5 comma infinity. In which option we have, students? Minus infinity comma 2 union 5 comma infinity. Hence option 1 is the right answer for this question, students. Now let us look at the next question, students. So question number 44. Now question number 44 here, just observe the question, students. Here the greatest integer of pi square, here greatest integer of minus pi square is there. So the value of pi is equals to, we know that the value of pi is 3.142 and pi square, the value of pi square is a 9 point something is there, students, 9 point something. What is greatest integer of pi square here? The greatest integer of 9 point something is a 9, and also we want, so greatest integer of minus pi square, that is greatest integer of minus pi square, that is, so greatest integer of minus pi square. So here pi square value is 9 point something. So minus 9 point something. What is the greatest integer of minus 9 point something, students? It is minus 10. So substitute here. So what you are getting here? So f of x is equals to, that is sine of, this is nothing but greatest integer of pi square is 9x minus sine of, now so greatest integer of minus pi square is minus 10, students, into x. Now which is f of x is equals to sine 9x, sine of minus theta is nothing but minus sine theta, so sine 10x, students. Now observe here, which of the following option is not true? He is asking not true here. Now actually this option is not true, because if you put the value of x is equals to pi here, in place of x we put pi here, sine pi you will get plus sine 9 pi plus sine 10 pi. See here, this value you are getting a 0 here. This value is not equals to minus 1. Hence, for the question number 44, option 3 is the right answer, students. Now let us move on to the next question here. So what is the next question here? Which of the following is not correct? Which of the following is not correct? By looking at this question itself directly we can say the answer here. What is the answer, students, here? That is option 4, that is cos 5 pi is equals to cos 4 pi. So both are not equal, but he has given that cos 5 pi is equals to cos 4 pi. Hence for the question number 45, option 4 is the right answer for this. Yes, next let us look at the question number 46, students. So what he has given, if cos x plus cos square x equal to 1, then the value of sin square x plus sin power 4x. So here sin square x is asking sin square x plus sin raised to 4x value is asking, students. Now sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x, and so sin this can be written as sin square x whole square. Sin square x whole square can be written as 1 minus cos square x whole square. Now what is 1 minus cos square x, students? From this observe here, from this what is here, so cos x is equals to 1. If I take plus cos square x that side, minus cos square x. So 1 minus cos square x is replaced by cos x, plus again here this is nothing but cos x, again cos x, we have square again. Now we got this cos x plus cos square x. What is cos x plus cos square x? Which is again 1. So for the question number 46, what is the right answer, students? Option 1 is the right answer for this question. Now let us move on to the next question. What is the next question, students, here? Question number 47. So what question number 47 says, students, here? The mean deviation about the mean for the data. First we will find out the mean here. So first we will find out the mean. It is sum of all the observations. That is 4 plus 7 plus 8, 9, 10, 12, 13 and 17. Divided by number of observations are 4 plus 4, which is 8. Now observe here, x bar how much you will get? here it is 80 you will get here if you add all this divided by 8, which is nothing but 10. So first we will find out, so mod of that is xi minus x bar value. So xi minus x bar value, how much will get students here? 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. 10 minus 4 is 6. Next 10 minus 7 is 3. 10 minus 8 is 2. 10 minus 9 is 1. 10 minus 10 is 0. 10 minus 10 is 0. 10 minus 12 is 2. Next is 10 minus 13 is 3. 10 minus 17 is 7. Okay. So we want mean deviation about the mean. So mean deviation about the mean we want. So mean deviation about mean. So add all this. How much you will get? 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 14, 21, 24. So 24 divided by n. Number of observations, how much we have? 8. 8 observations are there, 8. So 8 ones are, 8 threes are. What is the right answer for this question, students? Option 1 is the right answer for this question. Now let us look at the next question here. So what is next question here? Question number 48. So question number 48. So what question number 48 says, students, here? A random experiment has 5 outcomes. The probability of occurrence of W1. So here we know that. So probability of W1 plus probability of W2, probability of W3, W4 and W5, whose sum is always equals to 1. So W1 he has given 1 by 6. W2, so he has given as A. W3 has not given, let us take this as C. And W4 he has given as B, and W5 is given as 1 by 12 is equals to 1. From this, I'll keep A plus B here. So what is A plus B, students? 1 plus C if I take that side minus C, plus 1 by 6 if I take that side minus 1 by 6, plus 1 by 12 if I take that side, it becomes minus 1 by 12. Now take the LCM. What is A plus B you are getting? So it is LCM is 12 is the LCM. Now it is 12 minus 12C minus 2 minus 1. So how much you are getting here? So 12 minus 3, it is 9. 9 minus 12C divided by 12. He is asking the value of 12A plus 12B minus 1 equal to 0. I can take 12 as a common factor. If I take 12 as a common factor, here we left out with A plus B, and minus 1 if I take right hand side, it becomes plus 1. So 12 into, already A plus B value is known here. It is 9 minus 12C divided by 12 is equals to 1. So therefore 12 get cancelled, students. Now what is left out here? 9 minus 12C is equals to 1, or what is a 12C here? 12C is equals to 9 minus 1, which is 8. So 12C, C is equals to 8 by 12. That is 4 2s are and 4 3s are. So what is the right answer, students, here? 2 by 3. For the question number 48, option 4 is the right answer, students. That is 2 by 3. Now let us look at the next question here. So question number 49. So what question number 49 says here? See what question number 49 says, students, here. A die has 2 faces. See, he is asking each with number 1, 3 faces, each with number 2 and 1 face with number 3. If the die is rolled once, then probability of 1 or 3. That is probability of getting 1. So what is the probability of getting 1, students, here? Which is nothing but 2 by 6. And what is the probability of getting 3? So what is the probability of getting 3? Which is 1 by 6. He is asking probability of 1 or 3. That is probability of getting 1 plus probability of getting 3. So probability of getting 1 is 2 by 6. Probability of getting 3 is 1 by 6. So therefore, so 3 by 6. 3 by 6 if you get cancel here, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is question number 49. 1 by 2 is present in option A. Hence for the question number 49, option A is the right answer for this question, students. Now let us look at the next question here. So what is the next question? Question number 50. Let A is equals to ABC. Then the number of equivalence relation on the containing BC, on A containing BC. See here. So if the set has one element, then the number of equivalence relation is only 1. If the set has 2 elements, then just you write down previous one here and add these two. 1 plus 1, how much you are getting? 2. Hence 2 is the right answer for this question. So what is the option here? Option 2 is the right answer for this question, students. Now let us look at the next question here. Question number 51. Now observe here. Here f of x equal to sin x and g of x is equals to cos x. If you observe sin x and cos x, both are 1 functions, isn't it? So, but their sum is not 1. So, both are 1 functions, as we know that sin x as well as cos x are both 1 functions, but their sum is not 1. Hence, option 1 is true, but option 2 is wrong. So, what is the right option for this question, students? Option 1 is true and option 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Hence, for this question, option 4 is the right answer for this question, students. Now, let us look at the next question. What is the next question here? Secant square of tan inverse 2 plus cosec square cot inverse 3. Secant square theta can be written as 1 plus tan square theta, that is tan inverse 2 plus cosec square theta can be written as 1 plus cot square, that is cot inverse 3. How much you will get? So 1 plus this is nothing but 2 square. Here also 1 plus this is nothing but 3 square. How much you will get here? So 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 9. This is 10 plus 5, which is 15. So what is the right answer for this question, students? Hence option 2 is the right answer for this question. Now let us look at the next question, and this is the simplest question that he has asked. Already you have studied this question in inverse trigonometric function. So 2 cos inverse x equal to sin inverse of 2x into root of 1 minus x square. For which value of x it is valid here? Yes, it is option 3. That is, the value of x is greater than or equals to 1 by root 2, less than or equals to 1. Isn't it? Okay. Now let us move on to the next question, students. So what is the next question here? So question number 54. Question number 54. What he has given? Statement 1. In an LPP, the objective function is always linear. Yes, it is a true statement. Yes. Option 2. Statement 2. In a LPP, the linear inequalities on variables are called constraints. Yes, both options, both statements are true here. Hence, statement 1 is also true. Statement 2 is also true. Which is the right option for this question, students? Option 4 is the right answer for this question. Now, question number 55. So, question number 55, the maximum value of this subject to the constraints. See here, x plus y equal to 40. X plus y is equals to 40. If I put the value of x is equals to 0, y we are getting 40. If I put the value of y equal to 0, x we are getting as 40. Now, next, x plus 2y equal to 60. X plus 2y equal to 60. X plus 2y is equals to 60. Now, if I put the value of x is 0, 2y equal to 60 or 30 here, and if I put the value of y equal to 0, x you are getting 60. If I put the value of y is 0, x value is 60, that is 60 comma 0. Now if I draw the graph here, just observe here, if I draw the graph, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Here also if I take 10, 20, 30, 40, so 50 and so on, 60. Okay. Now observe here. Now, so 0 comma 40. So 0 comma 40. X coordinate 0, y coordinate 40. Here we have 0 comma 40. So this is 0 comma 40. And next we have 40 comma 0. Here we have 40 comma 0. If I join the line like this here, if I join the line like this, as we have less than or equals to 40, so solution is towards the origin, isn't it? Yes. Next, so 0 comma 30 and 60 comma 0. 0 comma 30. So 0 comma 30 is here. We have 0 comma 30. It is 0 comma 30 and 60 comma 0. Here we have 60 comma 0. 60 comma 0. Now observe, students, here. If I join this line here like this, now observe here. And this is also less than or equals to is there, and this is also towards the origin. Common solution where you will get here, this is the common region, this is the feasible region, isn't it? Okay, so this is also towards the origin, this is also towards the origin. Common region is this. Now this is nothing but the point of intersection of these two lines. What are the coordinates here? If you calculate, it is nothing but just 20 comma 20 you'll get, students. Okay, now so for which maximum value is asking. So z is equals to 3x plus 4i, its maximum value is asking. So if I put, see here, these are the corner points, 0 comma 30, 40 comma 0. So for 0 comma 30, what is the value of z you are getting? Z is equals to that is 33 is 30 into 4, 120 you are getting. For 40 comma 0, so for 40 comma 0, what is the value of z here? So again that is 3 into 40, which is again 120 you are getting. For 20 comma 20, so how much you are getting, students? So it is 60 plus 80, which is 140. Hence 140 is the right answer. What is the right option for this question, students? Option 2 is the right answer for this question. Now let us look at the next question here. Question number 56. Now directly looking at the question, you can directly say this answer here. Statement 1. If E and F are two independent events, obviously E dash and F dash are also independent. Yes, it is a true statement. Yes, here statement 2. Two mutually exclusive events with non-zero probabilities of occurrence cannot be independent. Yes, this is also a true statement. Hence, both options are true. Hence, statement 2 is option 2 is the right answer for this question, students. Now, let us look at the next question. That is question number 57, students. So what is question number 57? So question number 57 is given by, so if A and B are two non-mutually exclusive events such that, so probability of A given that B is equals to probability of B given that A. So then which of the following options are true anta kelta idane. Now observe here. Now this can be written as probability.